Bill Gates calls Ray Kurzweil the best person I know at predicting the future of artificial intelligence. Now, you might be wondering, who is Ray Kurzweil? Well, he's the principal inventor of many technologies ranging from the first CCD flatbed scanner to the first print-to-speech reading machine for the blind. He is also the chancellor and co-founder of Singularity University and the guy tagged by Larry Page to direct artificial intelligence development at Google. In short, Ray's pretty smart, and his predictions are amazing, mind-boggling, and important reminders that we are living in the most exciting time in human history. Keep watching as we explain Kurzweil's tech timeline to 2100. Predictions Kurzweil has gotten right over the past 25 years. In 1990, 25 years ago, he predicted that a computer would defeat a world chess champion by 1998. Then in 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated Garry Kasparov. That PCs would be capable of answering queries by accessing information wirelessly via the internet by 2010. He was right, to say the least. That by the early 2000s, exoskeletal limbs would let the disabled walk. Companies like Exobionics and others now have technology that does just this, and much more. In 1999, he predicted that people would be able to talk to their computer to give it commands by 2009. While still in the early days in 2009, natural language interfaces like Apple's Siri and Google Now have come a long way. I rarely use my keyboard anymore. Instead, I dictate text and emails. That computer displays would be built into eyeglasses for augmented reality by 2009. Labs and teams were building head-mounted displays well before 2009, but Google started experimenting with Google Glass prototypes in 2011. Now we are seeing an explosion of augmented and virtual reality solutions and HMDs. Microsoft just released the HoloLens, and Magic Leap is working on some amazing technology, to name two. In 2005, he predicted that by the 2010s, virtual solutions would be able to do real-time language translation, in which words spoken in a foreign language would be translated into text that would appear as subtitles to a user wearing the glasses. Well, Microsoft, via Skype Translate, Google Translate, and others have done this and beyond. One app called WordLens actually uses your camera to find and translate text imagery in real time. 2019. Kurzweil already predicted a number of things that were proven in 2019. The digital world makes paper books and documents almost completely obsolete. Computers are embedded everywhere in our environment, e.g., jewelry, walls. Total power of all computers is comparable to the total brain power of the human race. Creative AI is now capable of making complex art and music. Autonomous vehicles now dominate our roads. Language translation machines are now routinely used in conversations. 2029, a $1,000 personal computer is now 1,000 times more powerful than the human brain. Advanced brain mapping leads to hundreds of distinct subregions in the brain being identified. Computers are now capable of autonomously learning and creating new knowledge. The manufacturing, agriculture, and transportation sectors of the economy are almost entirely automated. VR glasses and headphones are now replaced with computer implants. AI claim to be conscious and openly petition for recognition of this fact. 2030s. Brain nanobots are now capable of eliciting emotional responses from users. Nanomachines are directly inserted into the brain to control incoming and outgoing signals. Mind uploading becomes successful and perfected, and humans become software-based. 2040s. Non-biological intelligence is now billions of times more capable than biological intelligence. People spend most of their time in full immersion virtual reality. 2045, the singularity. $1,000 now buys a computer a billion times more intelligent than every human being combined. AI surpasses human beings as the most capable and smartest life forms on the planet. 2049. Artificial food is commonly assembled by nanomachines. The distinction between virtual reality and real reality becomes confounded due to foglets, self-assembled tiny robots. 2099. Some humans, at least as old as the baby boomers, are alive and well. Natural human thinking now possesses no advantage over computer minds. Computer viruses are a major threat since most intelligent beings are now software-based. Machines have attained equal legal status as humans. AIs create super-powerful, planet-sized computers throughout the universe. Organic human beings are now a small minority of the life forms on Earth.